Good morning. This is just gonna be a short video, really short, because I'm heading to the airport. It's gonna be quiet on this channel for about 20 days. But before I'm going to the airport, I'm heading to a company which is wrapping cars, doing a lot of detailing. Some say they are the best in the business in Norway, and this car was supposed to be wrapped for about 7 months ago, but it had some paint issues, and I didn't want to wrap a car with paint issues, so I had to wait for Tesla to fix them, and it took them about a little bit over 7 months to fix those small issues. Now they're fixed, and the car is going in for a wrap. The color I choose for about 10-12 months ago, that color is so popular now, so I had to go with something else. We'll see how it will turn out. I had a lot of colors I was looking at. There was a lot of cool stuff going on, but 9 out of 10 colors I found was not in the market in Europe, or was really expensive. Like just the vinyl cost about the same as vinyl, and the job with normal vinyl. So found a color at last, and I don't think too many people have it. It's not a spectacular color. It's not chrome gold or anything. It's pretty conservative, but I think I'm gonna like it, and hope you're gonna like it, because when I pick up the car, I'm gonna do a full video on the wrapping and the job done, and I can't wait to pick that car up, because those guys, they do a really awesome job. Alright, so remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you will have a notification when a new video is coming. Alright, see you soon.